Today I'm going to give you an introduction to the search function of our online catalog, Destiny. Using Destiny Search, you can find out what books and other resources are available in our Media Center, as well as all of the other school media centers in the district. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to open a browser and navigate to the Muskogee County School District homepage. Once you're there, click on the For Students tab at the top and scroll all the way to the bottom of that page to click on the MCSD Libraries link. This takes you to Destiny. Find our school on this list right here, Double Churches Middle School, and click on that, and then click on the Catalog tab at the top of the page. This takes you directly to the search. As you can see, there are 5 different types of searches. The first kind of search is the keyword search. This will return a list of items that have your search words anywhere in the record. So let's say you're writing a report about the Old West. You would type in Old West in the subject, in the search bar, and click on keyword. And here you have a list of books that are related to the Old West in some way. You can see that here's a book about Native Americans, here's a book about cowboys, here's a book about Billy the Kid. To return to the search menu, you would click on Library Search and it brings you right back to the search page. The second type of search is title search. You would use title search to see if we have a specific book in our Media Center available for checkout. Your friend that goes to another school told you that he just read a great book called The Maze Runner and you want to know if we have it so you can check it out from our library. So type The Maze Runner into the search bar and then click Title. And here you see we do have The Maze Runner. We actually have 1 copy of it available. This little section over here tells you if the book is available for checkout. Returning to the search menu, the next type of search is the author search, which you can use to search for an author of a book by name. I know that your English class just finished reading a book called No More Dead Dogs by Gordon Corman. You kind of like that book, so you'd like to read another book that Mr. Corman has written. So you would type Gordon Corman into the search bar and click on Author. This returns a list of books that are written by Gordon Corman. You can see that he has a lot. Returning to the search page, the next type of search is the subject search. This returns results on a particular topic, person, place, or thing. You want to do your science fair project on outer space, but space is so big, so you're not sure what part of outer space you want to do your science fair project on. So, to get some ideas of what kind of resources are available in your Media Center, you would type outer space in the search bar and click on Subject. And here you see that we have books about the Hubble telescope and exploration and whether or not there's life out there. So you have a lot of different resources to choose from, including a fiction book written by Stephen Hawking. So it's not just going to return nonfiction, it's going to return books that are related to the subject, outer space. We're returning to the library search page for the final search, the search. With the series search, you're able to, if you know the name of the series, you can search for that because you may not know the names of the individual books in the series. For instance, you've read the first book, The Hunger Games, and you really like the Hunger Games books and you want to keep reading, but you're not sure which book is the second book in the series. So you type The Hunger Games into the search bar and click Series, and it returns all of the books in the Hunger Games trilogy for you. Here, you can see that The Hunger Games is book 1, Catching Fire is book 2, and right down here, Mockingjay is book 3. The These are the different types of basic searches you can perform in Muskogee County's online catalog, Destiny. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to use something called Boolean language to locate resources on a specific topic, how to see if another library in the district has a book that our library does not, and how to use your Lexile level to search for books. Well, good luck and happy searching.